Take you outside to the humidity, which has been a big talking point here the last couple of days. To the east of us, very humid air, where we've got dew points in the 60s and 70s. That's pretty sticky. Here locally, most of our air is pretty dry with dew points in the 50s and 40s. But already starting now and continuing through tomorrow, we're going to start noticing this humidity coming back again. So overnight, those dew points starting to creep up into the 60s in many places, and in parts of especially Fayette County, dew points even leaning into the 70s a little bit. Still, the air may dry out slightly during the afternoon as some drier air a little higher in the sky mixes down to the ground, bringing us dew points into the 60s in most places. And then we get into your Thursday night, and we'll have another surge of much higher humidity, dew points well into the 60s and even the 70s to start off your Friday. So tomorrow, a little muggy. Friday, much more humid, and that'll set the stage for a humid weekend and high humidity into next week too. So tomorrow's a transition day, and technically speaking, so is Friday. And then we'll find ourselves in that very humid category this weekend into early next week. So we'll go with 101 here tomorrow. Sunshine, scattered clouds, perhaps a few more clouds around tomorrow than what we had here today. So there's your high of 101 in Austin. Some slightly higher numbers in a few spots in our eastern counties, and in the hill country, either side of triple digits. But with slightly higher humidity, it's going to feel like a hotter day tomorrow, even if the air temperatures are pretty close to where they were today. And then the numbers start to go down Friday into the weekend, thanks in large part to extra clouds around, as well as some scattered showers and storms that may bring some rain-cooled air. 99 Friday, 96 Saturday should be our coolest day of the week ahead, given the coverage of rainfall is highest on Saturday, and then the temperatures start to heat back up again on Sunday. Rain not near us now, but there'll be some of these high clouds drifting in through the night, and sunshine and scattered clouds tomorrow. Tiny rain chance, call a less than 10% shower chance in our eastern counties tomorrow. Generally speaking, it's dry through Friday morning, though, and then into Friday afternoon. That's when we've got a better chance of some scattered showers and storms. These will also produce some outflow boundaries that may bring some gusty winds here and there, but then the loss of daytime heating takes away the rain. Then it looks like we'll do it all over again Saturday afternoon and evening, scattered downpours and storms. There is technically a low 1 out of 4 flash flooding threat on Friday. Don't expect a lot of rain through Sunday, quarter-inch or less for most, but we could get some localized amounts up to about an inch. And if that falls too quickly, we may have a few problems here and there. Not expecting a big deal, though, here as far as wet weather goes Friday and Saturday. Sunday, rain chances drop to 10%, same for Monday. By Tuesday, Wednesday, we're all dry and back to near 100 again.